the worst part of doing keto? The meal prep.
You have to find a recipe,
Fly to the store!
not find everything,
Fly home!
order more ingredients online, wait for the ingredients to arrive, cook your meal, take one bite, immediately throw it into the garbage.
What you really need is a quick, customizable, and easy keto meal replacement for when your other food options aren't ready. Introducing Keto Chow.
It's the fully customizable meal replacement that makes keto easy.
With the flick of a wand, Keto Chow takes just seconds to prepare. Add the fat of your choice, a scoop of Keto Chow, water, and shake. Just trust the thousands of 5-star reviews on Facebook, Amazon, and Google Shopping. Keto Chow comes in 18 delicious flavors. And in a third-party blind taste test, Keto Chow outperformed all of the competitors in appearance, flavor, texture, and overall impression.
Head over to ketochow.xyz to order your Keto Chow today.